Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Base network to Phantom Wallet. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on both phone and PC. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just go ahead and use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. So first up on phone. In here, just tap on your profile at the top left. Now go ahead and go to settings. Okay. In here, just go ahead and scroll down and tap on active networks. Okay. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, by default, it is already added. Okay. If it's not added for you, you can just go ahead and tap on this tick box. Okay. Tap on it. And once done, you're good to go. And when you go ahead and tap on maybe sent, you should be able to see the Base network. Okay. That has this icon. Now on PC, you can just go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet in here under extensions. Okay. And then once done, click on your profile. Again, click on settings. Same as what we did earlier, active networks, and make sure that Base network is toggled on. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.